Now, this is where we start. Here's the barn. It's very high up. Oh, and here's Mrs. Bowen. Let's see if we can get her closer. I'm trying to do this. Okay. Now, she's doing her laundry, so we don't want to disturb her. And, here's all the other things. You don't get any vacations like countries. Oh, and there's a cat running, trying to run, but don't worry about that. Get that little squirrel. Let's see if we... Isn't it so cute? Well, that's what it's usually for. But now we're going to the chicks. I'm going to the chicks, Miss Bowen. Okay. Can I pick them up? Yes, ma'am. Let's see how we're gonna hold it. Well, I don't know if I can hold it, but this is where we keep them. Well, Mrs. and Mr. Levette do. Oh, and here's the sheep. Let's see if we can get a big, closer look without getting the wires. So, there's one. We'll go back down. So, let's see how the chickies are doing. Aren't they cute? If you see them on the movie, they're so cute. I love them. They're like the cutest things I ever saw. So, this is where we're going today. I'm gonna put it just right there. And let's see how the chickies are doing. Now I know it's so intending. Hey, come here. So, see how my hand is like that? Don't worry, because they don't really want to peck. So, see? They're so cute, aren't they? You know that if you catch one, well, they're not a lucky person, because if they want to bite, hey, watch this. Only if they let me. You'll see. You have to put your hand close so they don't see you. Oh, and here's one. Aren't they adorable? See? Look. They don't really want to bite you. You don't look like cornflakes. Smashed up, you mean. So, here's what I'm gonna get. Let's see which one I get. You don't have to be lucky. If they don't notice you, that's a good thing. Go down here. So, well, that one didn't. A little baby temper tantrum. So, here's one. She's so cute. They know what is going on. So,
Mr. Levesque said to just let them rest for now.
okay. Here's Mrs. Bowen.
Again. All right. I'll get this for you.
Here's a great thing because you know how sheep like to run or something? Well, God made everything. That little one that is those goats, well, quite cool. And that's the leader's daughter. Here's Lana, my favorite. I love her. And this is how the sign shop. Let me show you how it will work in here. Did you ever know that Mr. Levesque is always a sign maker? It's so cool. I usually get to do this. It's called milking a goat. Here's the house. I have no clue what that is for, but it's a ladder for the cat, actually. Here's the dog cage, whenever they get a nap. And here's the swing. Oh, and here's Jackie and Petey. Here's the swing that I'm swinging on. Get ready for it. So, isn't Petey so pitiful? Oh, he just chewed. Oh, and there's Mrs. Levesque. Oh, sorry, boy.
Come on, Petey. Come on, Petey. Come on.
So, and here's Petey again. He's so adorable. 10 years old, and people, I do not know how much old. Well, he's just stuck in there. Okay. I have to keep it open for him. Come on, go. Now, Jackie is a little different than Petey is. Hey.
I think he probably missed it. No. Where's the cat? He smells her and he's trying to find it. He's here. Come on, Pete. Come.
And we're going on a little walk with Miss Bowen.
We are. You want to walk and I'll hold the camera?
Yes.
Okay. Need Emma in there too.
So, well, the other chickens died, and the rooster.
They died. They had a tragic death.
Yes, they did. Maybe, I don't know, but
Yep.
maybe go on the trails, Miss Bowen? I
sure.
haven't seen them.
We can go on the trails.
Oh, let me see that. So, I've never seen the trails before, but we're going on today. Maybe we'll see lights there and on the trails. So,
Do you really want to put the trails in your video?
yes.
Okay. It's already like 10 minutes long.
Emma,
Yes.
we live in Pitch Country, and we like to have our pants just like Mrs. Bowen's because they're off the ground.
It's fall. There's no
But yours